Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something truly exciting. Are you ready to bring out that confident, commanding side of your partner in the bedroom? Yes, we're talking about how to make her more dominating with just a few simple yet powerful things. It's all about creating the right atmosphere, energy, and mindset. So stay tuned for this one because it's about to get spicy. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss out on any of our latest content. Now let's get into it. 1. Build her confidence. First things first, confidence. Dominance starts with confidence, and it's your job to make her feel like a queen. Compliments go a long way, but not just the surface level ones. Sure, telling her she's beautiful is important, but what really matters is making her feel like she's in control. Show her that you trust her power, that you admire her strength. When you tell her how much her touch drives you wild, or how much you crave her assertiveness, she'll start to feel more in control. Confidence leads to her feeling comfortable enough to take the reins. Remember, it's about nurturing that dominant energy within her, allowing it to bloom naturally. And trust me, that confidence, it'll lead to some incredibly hot experiences. 2. Communication and setting the stage. Now that she's feeling more confident, let's move to the next key aspect, communication. But this isn't your average conversation. You need to let her know that you're into her being more assertive in the bedroom, and you're there for it. Encourage her to take charge, but most importantly, give her the space to do so. Set the stage by asking her what she enjoys or what she fantasizes about. Don't pressure her, but let her know you're eager to experience her dominant side. The more she understands that you're truly into it, the more she'll feel comfortable exploring that role. Remember, it's all about building a sense of trust and excitement. Open communication can be incredibly sexy when done right. So, get talking. 3. Encourage her to take control. Alright, now that the mood is set, how do you actually encourage her to take the reins? One way is by giving her full control of the situation. It's all about being her willing participant. Whether it's letting her choose what happens next or simply telling her you want her to take charge, it all adds up. One tip? Hand over decisions that are usually in your control, like choosing positions or guiding the tempo. This shift in power dynamics can do wonders. Let her lead and remind her that whatever she wants to do, you're there for it 100%. 4. Use tools and accessories to set the tone. Here's where things can get really fun. To elevate her dominance, introduce a few accessories or tools into the mix. Think along the lines of handcuffs, blindfolds, or even role-playing outfits. These aren't just for show. They signal that you're ready for her to take control. Accessories like these can make her feel empowered, like she's fully in charge of your experience together. It gives her that extra boost to really own the moment. Of course, always make sure everything's consensual and comfortable for both of you. The goal is for her to feel empowered, not pressured. 5. Give her time to embrace it. Lastly, don't rush the process. Dominance isn't something everyone feels comfortable with right away. It might take some time for her to really get into it, and that's okay. Encourage her every step of the way, but let her go at her own pace. Maybe she starts with subtle dominance, giving commands here and there, or taking control in smaller ways before fully embracing that role. Give her the time and space to explore this side of herself. When she's ready, the results will be worth it. And trust me, when she gets into that dominating role, it's going to be something you'll never forget. So, there you have it, 5 ways to help your partner tap into her dominant side. Confidence, communication, tools, and a little patience can unlock a whole new world of passion and intimacy between you two. Have you ever experienced this kind of energy in your relationship? Or maybe you've got your own tips to add to the list. Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. See you next time. Until next time, keep things exciting, keep things fun, and most of all, keep exploring.